Mr. Speaker, sir, you know the cartel that are taking this money.
I don't know.
No. I know you don't know. Thank you, Mr. I know you don't know. But, Mr. Speaker, the cartels from the ministry that registers, that do all this dirty work, that deposit money in accounts, are all from the ministry. Would I be in order to say that this minister, who is claiming to be auditing all these documents from June to December to January, that he's playing tricks with us until we forget, so that we go to next year, the same thing continues, because he's a beneficiary of these cartels, because they steal from there. The minister must be a beneficiary. And, Mr. Speaker, I would ask even the president that now that he wants Kisii to be the minister for education, why can't he bring back Matiang'i?
Order. Order, Wanjala. You are totally out of order.